Hola amigos y amigas, Javier here for Hum of the Earth, signing in from the lovely little town of Gameza, once again in the department of Boyaca in Colombia. Got a bit of a drizzle going on today, but I don't think that's going to stop us from enjoying the beauty of the Andes Mountains. I've got another pretty lengthy hike planned for the day, heading to the Alto de Laguna Negra, so the high black lake, or at least that's the name of the mountain. I'm not actually sure if we'll find a lake there, but we'll certainly look. We're once again granted an easy start here for religious purposes. There's a little pray spot up there, up the hill. So we have a nice little interlock path here to start the day. As well as some great views of Gameza, a little town with a lot of history, but not quite as well preserved as some other towns around here in Boyacá, but great scenery nonetheless. Some mining activity here. And some more religious activity. Buenas.
A los mineros. Sí.
¿Restaurante para allá?
Sí.
¿Una Puebla?
No, es que en la mina por allá.
Oh, la mina.
Sí.
Ah, ok.
Sí. Ahí para arriba, ahí va derecho.
Ajá.
Sí, por ahí, y sigue la carretera y cruza, y a eso queda, aquí allá queda como 1 hora. Sí.
Ok.
Bueno.
Gracias, buen día.
Bueno.
So I've unexpectedly encountered a little town here with a school. I think that's Sogamoso in the distance over there. There's even a little church here. This really is the high life here. Buenas. Bien, ¿y usted? Aquí es el Alto de Laguna Negra.
No,
¿No?
no, aquí es el alto, aquí arriba es el alto de Laguna Larga. Pero eso de Laguna Larga ahí es un... Ya no hay laguna, ahí es un pocito.
Laguna Negra, ¿sabe?
No. Aquí no hay, aquí... Ah, la represa. Sí, allí arriba, la represa de Laguna Negra.
¿Puedo ir al alto aquí para esta carretera?
Por esta carretera, y sube allá arriba,
Ajá.
en todo el alto, ¿sí? Allá donde se mira esa matica coposa.
Ajá.
En todo el alto, ¿sí? Mira una matica coposita que hay arriba.
Ah, ok.
Ahí coge ahí para abajo y ahí abajito de la laguna.
Carretera.
Sí, sí, ahí toda la carretera.
Ok.
¿De dónde viene?
Canada.
¿Sí?
Our first glimpses of the other side of the mountain. So the guy earlier said that there was a lake around here, somewhere around where we are right now. At least that's where he was pointing. Either way, I believe that is Alto de Laguna Negra. So if we make it to the top, we might be able to locate it. Success. Might make my way down there later. First, let's summit. Pretty beautiful stuff. Definitely worth the 5 to 6 kilometer hike from Gameza. if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and or leave a comment letting me know what you thought about the video. There are a lot more videos of Boyaca that I've made that you can find in the description below this video. There's also a link to another playlist of the time that I bicycled through Colombia, which is part of a larger trip bicycling through Latin America. I've also bicycled through Eastern Africa and Central and Eastern Europe, and I have playlists for all those countries that I've bicycled through available on this very same YouTube channel, Hum of the Earth. Alternatively, if you'd like to see an interactive map of everywhere that I went and everything that I got to see and do, I have that map available over on my website, followthehumoftheearth.com. Where you can click on the different locations and see the various blog posts and videos that I've made of those places. And if you'd like to follow my continuing adventures through Colombia and beyond, you can do so by clicking on the red subscribe button and clicking on the bell to be notified when new videos come out. Alright, so that's going to do it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good one.